Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going over how to fix the one side not working issue on your Lenovo Thinkplus earbuds. If one earbud isn't working properly, don't stress. This is a common issue and there are several simple steps you can try to get it working again. Let's walk through them together. First, check the charging case. Make sure both earbuds are seated properly in the case. Put them in one at a time and watch for the charging light. If one earbud doesn't light up, it might not be making good contact. Try repositioning it and make sure the case itself has enough battery. A low battery in the case can sometimes cause one side to fail. Next, inspect the charging contacts on the earbuds. These are the little metal points at the bottom that touch the case. If they're dirty or have some debris, the earbuds might not charge properly. Take a dry cloth or cotton swab, lightly dipped in alcohol, and gently clean the contacts. This often solves the problem if it's just a minor connection issue. Sometimes uneven battery levels can also cause one earbud to not sync. To fix this, fully charge both earbuds in the case first. Then, take out just the earbud that isn't working and play music for around 20 to 30 minutes. After that, put it back in the case for a few minutes and then try using both together again. This can help balance the battery levels and resync them. If the problem continues, try resetting the Bluetooth connection. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, forget the earbuds, and then repair them as if it's the first time. You can even try connecting them to a different phone to check whether the issue is with the earbuds or your device. Another trick is to completely drain the earbuds' batteries. Play music or use them until they completely die. Then put both back in the charging case and let them fully charge again. Once charged, reconnect them to your device. This method often forces a full reset internally and can fix one-sided issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, it could be a hardware issue. If your earbuds are still under warranty, reach out to Lenovo support. They can repair or replace them for you. A step-by-step guide to get both sides of your Lenovo Thinkplus earbuds working perfectly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy fixing!